door. Oh, 'cause it'll take a whole lot of medication to realize what we used to have we don't have